Greetings, Abbey team. This presentation is a brief overview of the assessment process for the Bachelor of Science in Aeronautics degree program. Please progress through the show by forwarding to each slide when you're finished viewing. Essentially, the assessment process begins with identifying outcomes which will be used for assessment in a given assessment cycle. Plans are developed to facilitate capturing the data which occurs throughout the assessment cycle. The data is then collected, assessed, and reported at the end of the cycle. In conjunction with this end-of-cycle effort, the assessment planning for the follow-on cycle occurs too. Assessment processes are housed in TaskStream. Collection of assessment data is collected in Blackboard Outcomes. Blackboard Outcomes data collection and reporting is a standalone process from TaskStream. They are not linked. You can go to the next slide. In the outcome identification, many things are considered in order to select an appropriate outcome and course in which to collect the data. These considerations can be things like student performance, changes in curriculum, and even revisions to accreditation, which may drive specific program outcome assessments. In recent years, the assessment cycles were fraught with challenges, things like finding a valid and reliable assessment data collection instrument. Our collection methods just didn't work. This recent change has enabled us to create alignments and capture very detailed assessment data. But we are at the very front end of this period and will continue to improve. You can go to the next slide. Once program outcomes and courses are identified, the development of the plan occurs and measures are constructed to give detailed information on how and why assessment data will be captured. Criterion is also established to standardize and capture data appropriately. In this process, we link the program outcome to a specific assessment activity in the course which has been targeted for assessment. We ensure that alignments are created in the course in Blackboard Outcomes in order to effectively ensure the detailed data is captured. You can go to the next slide. Collection instruments now in development and in use are standardized interactive rubrics, as an example. These rubrics enable alignments to be made within the master template in Blackboard, which is then populated into each course, and therefore alignments carry through each course all throughout the year when the courses are taught. Each time the rubric is utilized by the instructor, data is captured, and we can create reports which will highlight performance in the targeted program outcomes. Outcomes for the BSA include both Gen Ed and BSA program outcomes, and just recently we added the Abbey criterion for 2014. You can go to the next slide. Once data is captured and processed, reports are pulled from Blackboard Outcomes and adjudicated for the final reporting. Rubric Performance supports course performance data and gives us a snapshot of overall program performance in the areas reviewed for that cycle. This data is then consolidated in our assessments reporting vehicle, TaskStream. You can go to the next slide. As the previous assessment cycle is wrapped up, the data is brought in and used to identify areas for improvement, which are then translated and implemented into the next cycle. You can go to the next slide. The following 3 slides identify the 3 sets of outcomes which are currently being utilized for the Bachelor of Science in Aeronautics degree program. This slide reflects the general education outcomes which are currently being used for each undergraduate degree program in the worldwide campus. Go to the next slide. This slide reflects the 4 specific Bachelor of Science in Aeronautics program outcomes. Next slide. And finally, this slide identifies the 6 Aviation Core criterion for Abbey and the 11 criterion for appendices A through K of the self-study report for 2014. Next slide. Thank you for viewing this brief outcomes assessment presentation. Together with the documentation you will see in our self-study report and the interface with staff and faculty at the locations you will visit, we hope that this will be a comprehensive presentation of assessment information.